Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we're going to do our Halloween Mania and a couple box challenges. We're going to go ahead and start with Halloween Mania. I did not get out my prop coin, so today we have $7. So I'm going to get out $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And let's go ahead and get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're gonna go ahead and put that in our bank. I figured it, our bank needed a little bit of ones. So let's see, where did we leave off yesterday? All right, we left off on number 3 yesterday. So we're gonna roll a D3 die and put that many prop coins as it says. So it is finally Friday. That's exciting. I'm trying to film really quick before I have to go pick up my 3-year-old from daycare. That way, hopefully I can get this video out in a timely manner since I did not pre-film it last night. 1, 2, and 3. I hope everybody's week has been fantastic. And yeah, we just got off of work. I just got home. Went to a retirement ceremony. For me in my old age, those are always an emotional, but happy emotional, happy for the person that is retiring and knowing that my time is coming soon. I don't know if I'm gonna do a retirement ceremony, but just knowing that my end is near is also exciting. All right, so we ended on number 3, so we'll start there again tomorrow because it wanted 3. We only had 2. And number 1 is our challenge from the Dramatic Panda, and it got $1.50. So let's see if I can math on camera. So 50. Don't mind me. So plus 25, so it's gonna be 25. I'm using a calculator. I'm not very good at mental math. So what in the heck did I do? Plus 1.50. What in the, oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but I'm not. Okay, 325. Oh, fantastic. So we actually have enough for 1, 3. And then we'll have 25 cents. Heck yes. All right, sorry about that. Mental math has never been my strength, we'll say. Math is easy for me, but mental math, I can write it down and it's way better. Okay, so this challenge is from Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets, and it got $1.75 again. So we can cross off one whole one and half of one, and we are going to roll over the 25 cents yet again. This one just does not want to get a even number, but we only need $1.50 left for that one. We will hopefully be able to finish that soon. This one also had a 25-cent rollover. Oh, this is a new one. So this is Budget with Miss P, and it got a $1.25. Well, we're gonna have 25 cents rolled over again because each one of these is $1. So we'll be able to cross off one circle. That will save us $6. And in challenge number 4, we have another quarter rollover, and this one is from Saturn's Vault. I think we finished this one. Heck yes, we did. $1.25. So that one is $4. Let's get a new challenge. Let's see, I'm trying to get all the ones first. Okay, and each one of these is going to be $1, so that quarter will have to roll over to next time. And then challenge number 5 also had a quarter rollover, is from Vicky Thinks. Each one of these circles is $1, and this one got $1. And we're gonna have another quarter rollover. So we are almost done with this one. Fantastic. And then our last one, 75 cents, $1. And this one is from Kip and Lou. So we'll just go ahead and mark off that little ghosty. And yes. All right, so we're gonna pay out that $4. Super exciting. And all of these minis are going to my debt binder at the end of the month. So I'm excited to see how much these little savings challenges can save us in a month, doing just $5 to $7 a day. So that's exciting. Our next box challenge is going to be the Cozy Seasons collab. And I have $50 that we're gonna put into our main envelope here. Hopefully we can finish it or get close to finishing it. We can finish it next week because that has a lot of money in it. Where did my cards go? Here we go. I just didn't want to put this whole box challenge in a like its own, like each one in its own envelope, and I wanted to be able to not have to constantly go to the bank to get one. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the Shut the Box. I think we might try to finish it, so we'll see how that goes. All right, we have 6. And we are doing this the like high income way. Seriously? Okay, well that, let's see, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. I'm gonna, oh, dang. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. And yeah, that's unfortunate that we didn't get to do both of those. I was hoping we could, but I guess not. All right, we'll go ahead and shuffle. We only have a few cards left, so hopefully, all right, Fall and Race. All right, here we go. Let's get our D4 out. We'll do this like 1 or 2 times. All right, 3. And a 1. Man, 2 has not seen any love at all. We'll go one more time. And 3. All right. And that's gonna go back in the pile. Okay, we'll go again. 1. Come on, 2. We got a -1, -4. So it looks like either 4 or 1 is gonna win. I sure hope that. All right, we got a color and save. So I said we were gonna roll a D10 for this one to see what we're gonna save. And that is 9, so a -9, so I don't forget. And we'll go ahead and color in, let's do I have a brown? Yeah, we'll do the coffee mug real quick. All right, now we have $15 left. We are not gonna finish this today at all because that went super fast. That needs to go back in. Okay, we have, I'm assuming that's a search and save. Oh, here we go. So that is $5. And then we'll go again, the pumpkin roll and save. We will go ahead and just do our D3. There's a 1. And then we'll go one more time. And a 3. All right, we have $6 left. I was hoping that we could actually get some of these search and saves finished, but I guess not. We only have $6. I'm gonna save that for next time. We're not gonna do that one. I'm gonna cheat. I want to get a search and save. No, I want to search and save. No, I want to search and save. There we go. Cozy blankets. Yeah, here we go. So that is $2 because I want to finish some of these. All right, too. That one is done. And then another search and save. This one is from Budget with ADHD and Angela Marie 888. We got a -1. And those sheets are done. And that one will go. Uh-oh. I think we're gonna have an IOU. All right, that one is done, and that one is done. Yep, that is $5. Okay, so we have an IOU of $2 for next time. Unfortunately, did not finish it, I was hoping to finish it, but that's okay. We'll have this one around a little bit longer. And where are my IOU cards? Here's one. And $2. So we'll remember that for next time. Gosh, dang, I was so hopeful that we would get that done. And then our next box challenge is going to be new. This one is going to be free on my coffee shop, however you want to say it. I think it's coffee. I think it's supposed to be coffee shop. So what I'm gonna do with this one is I decided I was going to get. I have 20 prop bills, so that way I don't have to constantly be going to the bank. And I'm just gonna put the 20 there and see how everything goes. Now, this one is free on my coffee shop. It was for getting 200 subscribers on YouTube, so I really appreciate that. It's a cute little mini box challenge. It has 3 sections and then 2 games. So let's go ahead and see where we can get with $20. I'm not sure. I tried to keep them low. All right, so we have a cute little skeleton girl. It's $4. Let me get a permanent marker. So let me do, okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll go ahead and that's this one. Perfect. And then, so yeah, some of these will have some little, what do you call it, bonuses. I could not think for the life of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's do 5. So we're gonna do the 2 and the 3. Perfect. And then that one will go back into the stack. And then we have the little kitty cat. And she is, we'll go with 2. Okay, let's mix these up a little bit more. All right, and we have a boo. I think that was on the front one. Yes. So I hope everybody had a great week. I'm happy that it's Friday. We have to go pick up my 3-year-old here soon from daycare. But hopefully we have a good week. Oh, did I use the same one? No, they're slightly different. They look the same, but they're slightly different. Okay, so we got, that one's a roll and save. We're gonna go ahead and just do the 1 so we can get a couple more cards knocked out. And then a spider. I think that is, yep, that is on the front. Awesome. And I don't know how much this is gonna save us, so it will be a mystery. All right, the balloons, we're gonna go ahead and just do 1 so we can get some of the cards done. Let's see, let's shuffle it up again because I feel like they're all mixed in together. That didn't help. All right, we're gonna do 1. because we only have, I think, $3 left at this point now. Oops, I just dropped one. I'm gonna mix them up again. Okay. All right, the cute little girl with the cauldron. If you haven't noticed, kind of really love Halloween, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the 3 on this one. So I'm probably gonna be doing Halloween challenges like all year long, so I apologize, but not really. Okay, so we will go ahead and put these back. I kind of like playing the box challenges with the prop ones just because I just feel bad. Like, I feel terrible when I go to the bank and get like 50, 60 ones at a time and the teller has to count them like 20 times. I don't know. That's just me, I guess. All right, well, we'll go ahead and put the cards back. And that will be it for us today. Nice and short video. I think that was it. Yes. Okay, just wanted to make sure. And thank you guys for stopping by, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.